All right, what we have here is a 7-foot by 7-foot Artesian Tropic Seas. Has 51 jets, including neck and shoulder jets over there. Also jets in the floor. Has a waterfall lounge and inverter knobs and air knobs as well. Got LED lights, composite sides. Let's turn this on and see what happens. Comes with a cover lift and steps. Let's turn the LEDs on right there. We want green, we want blue. Let's turn that first set of jets on. And you can add air to the system, obviously. And get those jets really cranking out there. And then let's hit jet number 2. Alright. So you got a nice white shell with a little gray marbling in it. Come on, check this tub out. www.thespaguyinc.com